BlueChem is an incubator for sustainable chemistry. We create a powerful ecosystem where ideas grow into large-scale industrial solutions for a more sustainable future. We support startups and scale-ups by offering them state-of-the-art infrastructure, financial support and expertise. Over the past 5 years, we supported 21 startups and they raised altogether more than 100 million euros of capital and created more than 200 jobs. And last but not least, we recently won the European Enterprise Promotion Award in the category Sustainable Transition.
Catalisti is the innovation cluster of the chemical and plastics industry in the region of Flanders. Our mission is to create a sustainable and competitive industry in our region by accelerating innovation and collaboration. So this is what we do, supporting collaborations in our region between companies and between companies and research institutes. We are innovation brokers. We also make sure that there is funding for these projects. We are a non-profit member organization with about 150 members, and together with them we have already developed more than 60 projects with a total budget of more than 90 million euros.
We select startups that work and develop in the same focus areas, and we join forces with strategic partners that can give advice and expertise to our startups. So startups can really focus on what they do best, developing new groundbreaking technologies. Catalisti took part in our feasibility study and they also take part in our board of directors. We organize events together to promote collaboration like Chem meets Tech, and this brings the puzzle nicely together.
BlueChem and Catalisti are both two pillars of the same innovation ecosystem. We strive for a sustainable and competitive chemical industry in the region of Flanders. Catalisti, in fact, was also a partner in the feasibility study that has led to the foundation of BlueChem. We set up collaborative innovation projects among companies and between companies and research institutes. Therefore, we develop the innovation agenda of the sector, we do matchmaking between the different parties, and we help to secure funding to support these innovation projects.
Decarbon is a perfect example. Instead of capturing and storing CO2, Decarbon developed a technology that turns waste CO2 into resources for new application in the chemical industry. Catalisti and BlueChem helped them by connecting with more established companies like BASF and ArcelorMittal to develop their demo installation, test it on site with outstanding results.
We should also mention Inopsys. Inopsys is a spin-out of Fish, the predecessor of Catalisti, and it is one of the first companies that have signed up for BlueChem. Catalisti has supported Inopsys with several projects. It develops solutions for complex wastewaters in chemical and pharmaceutical companies. In fact, Inopsys built on-site mobile units to treat this complex wastewater, to recover materials that are still valuable and to remove hazardous chemicals. Inopsys was recently bought by Indaver, which shows their interest in these innovative solutions.
We have ambitious plans in these turbulent times for the chemical industry, but now more than ever it is important to support startups, to create opportunities and to promote innovations. With this expansion at the Port of Antwerp-Bruges at NextGen, we want to double our capacity and we want to broaden our service and facility offering in an industrial context, closer to the established companies with whom we have already a strong relationship. For example, with ExxonMobil, BASF, INEOS and Vopak, they are our industrial and sponsoring partners from the start. Also, Port of Antwerp-Bruges is a strategic partner from day one, and our location at NextGen is a very strategic location because together with the port we can attract very interesting national and international startups to really boost our ecosystem and make our region even more attractive.
BlueChem XL fits perfectly with our mission, because more room for startups and scale-ups will strengthen the innovation ecosystem. In the next 5 years, we want to keep on uniting research, industry and government to scale the chemistry of the future, and in this way to reinforce the position of the chemical cluster in Flanders as the leading chemical cluster in Europe.